Hello everyone. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of creating a linear vesting contract using StreamFlow. Once you have logged in using your preferred wallet, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Vesting. After you have opened the vesting page, click the Create New button in the top left corner. At Step 1, choose Vesting Type, select Linear Vesting and click Next Step. Step 2 is Configuration. First thing we have to specify is the token that we want to vest. From the token drop-down, you can see all of the available tokens in your wallet. Select the token from the list that you want to vest. Next, we need to set the vesting duration, which defines how long the vesting period will run. Unlock schedule is where we choose how often we want our tokens to unlock during the vesting period. For instance, if unlock schedule is set to monthly, and vesting duration is 1 year, that means that the portion of tokens will unlock each month over the course of 1 year. Start upon contract creation allows us to decide whether we want the token vesting to start right after we create the contract or we want to manually specify the start date and start time. Add cliff amount lets us specify the amount in percentage or tokens that we want to be released instantly after the created vesting contract starts. Auto-claim allows us to decide if we want the recipients to automatically receive vested tokens in their wallets or manually claim them through StreamFlow platform. Who can cancel the contract and who can change the recipient? Both options have the same following values: only recipient, only sender, both, and neither. You can customize these options in a way that best aligns with your contract's requirements and preferences. Once you have set all of the parameters in the Step 2, click on Next Step to proceed to the Step 3 of contract creation. At Step 3, we first have to specify the total amount of tokens that we want to vest during the contract, as well as the recipient's wallet address to which tokens will be sent or claimable after the vesting contract ends. Contract title is an optional field, although we highly recommend using it so you can easily keep track of your created contracts later in the vesting tab. Recipient's email address is also an optional field and is used to send a recipient an email with the contract details and parameters. Once you have set the desired parameters for this step, you can click on Review Contract button. On the Review Contract page, if you scroll down, you can see all of the details and parameters you have set during the contract creation phase. At the very bottom of the Review Contract page, you can read the fee breakdown for this specific contract. We also suggest reading the costs of using StreamFlow from our documentation. It will be in the description of this video. Once you have checked all of the parameters and confirmed they match the ones you have set during the contract creation, you can click on the Create Contract button. After you have clicked the Create Contract button, all you have to do is confirm the transaction in your wallet. Congratulations! You have successfully created a vesting contract. For more details about the created contract, click on the Go to Contract Details button. In the top left corner of the Details page, you can see the unlock amount in percentage. Right next to it, you can also see the unlocked amount in tokens compared to the total token amount. On the right side, you can see the details for this contract. If you scroll down, you can again see the set parameters for this contract. Good job on creating your first vesting contract on StreamFlow. Continue making waves and see you in the next video.